Today we're going to have an OCR head-to-head battle between Prizmo and TextDetective. First, I'd like to start off with the price of each of the apps. Prizmo costs $9.99 and TextDetective costs $1.99. So here we're going to get to the head-to-head battle part. So we have Prizmo versus TextDetective. We're going to start off with Prizmo. So I'm going to scan a page, so I'm going to go to text and hit the camera. We're in a pretty well lit room here. This text is kind of complicated. It has multiple columns and a couple images. So I'm going to stand up to get a better perspective. This is being taken in a well-lit room, which will help the accuracy of OCR. I'm going to use the crop feature of Prizmo to crop it up. And I'm also going to use the white balance. I'm going to hit next to begin the scanning process. And it's going to go ahead and scan the document. As you can see, it's pretty quick. It has a couple mistakes, but overall, I'd say maybe 99, 98% accurate. It did have some trouble with the text inside the image, which is understandable, and also, but that was about it. Then I could hit next and have it read aloud.
Reminiscing about the organization, what has been.
You can also change the speed. When you're done, you can copy it, translate it, email it, and all these other options. Now we're going to try to do the same thing with TextDetective to see how it compares. So I'm going to launch the app. It works in landscape mode, and then I'm going to hit start. I'd like to say one thing about the landscape mode orientation of this app. Most documents like this one are in portrait orientation, so it's easier, for me at least, to capture the image of a page if the phone is in portrait orientation. So I'm gonna lift the phone up to about arm's length and then press start scan. And it starting the OCR, and it got some things, but it really didn't get much of the document. I'm going to try again, just to make sure it wasn't my hand wasn't shaky or anything. So I'm going to lift it up, say start scan, try to hold as still as possible. It got some things, but for the whole document, it's a whole page long document, it didn't get very much. I'm going to try one more time, lifting it up. And it got the title perfectly, but that's all it got out. Now I'm going to try the just doing one paragraph of this text, see how that works. So that worked pretty well. It got that paragraph almost completely accurately, but Prizmo could get the whole page at once, and Text Detective only got one paragraph at once. From there, you can see where in the text each of the words came from, and it puts a little red box around it. And you can do other things such as email and I believe translate the text. So there you have it. That's a look at Prizmo versus Text Detective. Prizmo is designed more for sighted users, and Text Detective is designed more for people with visual impairments. I just wanted to show you how the OCR accuracy and speed compares along with the features of each app. While Text Detective is $1.99 and Prizmo is $9.99, I think if you want great OCR accuracy and a full-featured app, Prizmo is for you. If you are visually impaired and you need to scan short chunks of text, like a couple paragraphs, then Text Detective would be a great choice, but you may have some trouble with full pages and with accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.